Hiya, crafty angels. Whoops, Craftalanch. Vanessa here from Angel Rose on YouTube. And today I'm here to do a project share that I done over the past week. And I made it for a friend who wanted to become a planner. And I did everything, the way I usually do my work. So let's get into it. It snaps shut, but just in case, I made a belly band for it with one of my dangles. Okay, and all you see is you got a lot of wedding trim, a doily under here. All the wedding trim came from Neri, who is DC Scrap and Rooster on YouTube. And it's all the way around. These little flowers like this that you see here and on the front came from DC Scrap and Rooster, but the doily at the bottom did not. Okay, and here's what I did for her. I gave her one of my extra little planners by Recollections. No, this is the Mini Happy Planner. That's undated. And then I took a file folder, manila file folder, and altered it into a pocket. And I folded it so she has another pocket on the other side. And this is going to be a list of what she wants to make it. And then I have some note pages so she can, document when she has pain and stuff like that. So she has the note for the doctor so she doesn't forget anything when she goes to the doctor. And as you can see, here's another flower here. So that is all for this one. See, I can snap it shut, but it won't go. So I just take the belly band and go right over it. It's hard to do the way I do it. So I gotta turn this to the front, and there we go. And I have this little heart here as my signature. And I have a little rose somewhere in here as another signature, feather as a signature, because this signifies my Native American, that I'm Native American. And then I have somewhere in here hearts. Here's the wing that signifies angel. So angel rose, if I can find the rose, but I can't, so I put the feather and then the heart for my other signature parts. Okay, this is what I wanted to show you guys. If you look at it real good, it looks like a little clutch, which I like. But this is hers. She knows who she is. And I will see you all in the next video. And on the flip side, happy crafting on a budget, happy everything on a budget. Be kind to one another, love one another, and God bless you all. See you in the next video on the flip side. Bye-bye.